We're on SAT Practice Test 10, Math Section 2, Question 15. What's the level of difficulty here? It's hard. A square is inscribed in a circle. The radius of the circle is 20 root 2 over 2. What is the side length of the square? All right, where's the figure? As usual, ETS describes it, but doesn't show it to you. So you gotta draw it yourself. My advice is always to draw it kind of big. Draw a big old circle. Inscribed means touching, so you're gonna have the square touch the circle at all four corners. The radius of the circle, all right, that's not the diameter. It is a line from the center out to the circle. You can draw any radius you want, but when you have two things like a circle and a square, you want to try and connect them somehow. So how can you draw a radius that connects the circle and the square? There's four ways to do it. Draw it out to one of these corners here. You draw it to any corner, it doesn't matter. All right, what is this length right here? 20 root 2 over 2. And finally, what are we looking for? We're looking for one of the sides of the square. Guys, this is a special right triangles problem, and you really want to be looking out for special right triangles problems when you're on geometry on the SAT, particularly on harder problems. You don't need to memorize special right triangles. It'd be a lot cooler if you did. They're in the formulas box. You go to them. If you don't have them memorized, you look and you say, hey, which one is it, right? First of all, where's the triangle? In order to make a triangle, you're going to have to extend this radius and make a diameter. And you say, all right, well, which one is it? Is it the one with three different sides, or is it the one with two sides are the same? It's obviously the one with two sides are the same. So it says it's S root 2. All right, I'm going to make it x's. I'm going to make it x root 2. All right, and then what are we looking for? We're looking for an x. Right, we're looking for a side of the square. Okay, x root 2 is the diameter. And what's the diameter? It's twice the radius. So you got to say 2 times the radius, 20 root 2 over 2. I'm going to put this 2 over 1 so I can just see that those 2's can go away. I can reduce. And what's the diameter? What's this line right here? It's 20 root 2. All right, what is the diameter as well as being 20 root 2? It's x root 2. So x root 2 is 20 root 2. I suppose you could do like 5 steps of algebra here, right? But what's x? X is clearly just 20. X is 20. That's it. That's your answer. It's A. These problems are really easy once you do a few of them. So if you're a little bit confused here, don't worry about it. Just do a few special right triangles problems and you'll see that it's really just kind of plugging and chugging. Get it right and move on.